Oh, look what Amazon got me to buy. It looked really cool that it's sliced bananas. Not really that I wanted it for bananas, but I kind of want it for sausage. I make a few meals with sausage where I need to slice them. I already have a slicer, but I have to like slice really close to my hand. Maybe this will work better. And also if you have kids that want hot dogs cut up into mac and cheese or something, maybe this would work for that. Link will be in the description below. This is how it came. I don't think there's much to the unboxing here. I'm kind of hoping it works really good. Oh, it's much bigger. I swear it's bigger than the box. It was bigger than the box. It was pushed down when it came here. So, pretty simple. Are them razor blades or are they're just, they don't even feel like they'd be stainless. So they may rust. A little bit of a spring in the back. It feels really chintzy. But there's a little stopper. But I'm going for it to work. And this video will just be on bananas. Okay, we got fresh bananas here. Went with organic because that's the bananas that I like. They were fresher, but I didn't feel like making the video right when it was time. Here we go. This is the weirdest video I've made, other than if you guys watched me make Spam. That was a fun video. Cook Spam, I guess. Okay. See what it does. Will it work? Gets right over the bananas. Got a nice thing, nice extra room for it. I just cut myself on video. Got myself. So them things are sharp. Got myself good. Don't want to show you guys that too much. They'll edit my video out. Let's pause this for a second. Okay, I'm back, but I've looked at this box. I know it was probably human error, but I did touch the inside and where it's actually chopping. They weren't sharp. Pretty cool that I got that on video. But if you look at the front of this, because there is no manual, it shows his finger in where the blades come up, which my fingers weren't even there. My fingers were back on this. And once I got it cut through, I slipped forward and cut myself. I'm not going to show you that, but we're going to cut the rest of them because I was actually hungry for a banana. And the longer it sits out, the worse. So I think I'm going to grab it back further. And now it just grabbed me back here. This is an awful device. It's scary. Now that I've cut myself. Okay. So it cut them. I ain't cutting now. I'm eating out. Now you gotta clean the device. I think this is an awful device. It can cut you easy. If there was a guard on it or something, it's a pretty cool device, but maybe I'll use it when I'm not so scared of it. But even holding back here, it's pinching my fingers back there, and you really don't have the leverage. So do with what you must, but I do have to say it did an excellent job on cutting that, and I'm pretty sure it would cut the sausage that I want to put in here. Probably cut it I'm just gonna end this right now. I'm all flabbergasted.